Hello everyone, my name is Zari. Today I'll read you a book about blizzard. Now let's read. But before that, we need to know some words. Big, biting, beating, blizzard, moist, strike, whip, wind chill. And we also need to read the table of contents. The Great White Hurricane, extreme storms, birth of a blizzard, blizzard country, being prepared and staying safe, glossary. The Great White Hurricane. In 1888, a blizzard hit New York. The storm lasted for 3 days. It caused a lot of harm. Many people died. Horse carts take snow away after the blizzard of 1888. Extreme storms. The United States has had many blizzards. 3 things make up a blizzard: strong winds, blinding snow, and freezing cold. Blizzards are known for freeze winds and blowing snow. Birth of a blizzard. Snow starts when moist warm air meets cold air. Clouds form and the water in them freezes into snow. Snow clouds form and roll across a lake. The winds whip the snow through the air. It becomes hard to see. Blowing snow makes driving difficult. Beating winds also make air feel colder. This is called wind chill. Wind chill makes the body lose heat faster. Skin can freeze. Cold blizzard wind can cause skin to freeze quickly. Blizzard country. Blizzard can happen anywhere there is snow. The east coast of the United States is one such place. Cars in Massachusetts are stuck after a 1978 blizzard. Storms sometimes move up from the south. When they do, they may run into cold air moving down from Canada. These storms make a lot of snow. This is Canada, and this is hot, cold air, warm, moist air. Atlantic Ocean. This is the United States. Storms from the south. Some snowstorms form on the coast. Another type of storms comes from the west. These storms move fast. They bring strong winds and freezing cold, but not a lot of snow. This is Canada, and this is very cold air. Cold air move. Atlantic Ocean. The cold air moves very fast though. This is the United States. Being prepared and staying safe. Long ago, people were surprised by storms. Today, people know more about weather. They can tell when where blizzard will strike. A worker at a weather station tracks the path of a storm. They can get ready. They can make sure they have enough food and water to last for days. People wait in line to buy groceries before a blizzard. People can then go home and wait out a storm. There, they can stay safe and warm. City workers rush home as a storm starts. The best place to be in a blizzard is inside. In time, the storm will end. Then it will be safe to have fun in the snow. It is best to watch the storms from inside. And this is the end of the book. Now goodbye. See you in the next book. Bye bye.